They came over the mountain on horseback and on foot. More than 1,000 ethnic Tibetans pouring into a remote Chinese town not far from the Tibetan border. Their call for freedom from Chinese rule and for an end to years of what they say is brutal oppression. Bleeding from an open wound to his head, this man tells me he was beaten by Chinese soldiers. The crowd moves to the town school, where riders pull down the Chinese flag, replacing it with the former national flag of Tibet.
Ultimately, you will prevail, and ultimately, the world will be a much better place because of the Dalai Lama and because of the struggles you have been through. God bless you all, and God bless the Dalai Lama. Thank you very much.